What's going on, y'all? Today, back at it again with another banger, alright? So before we get on with today's video, I just want to go ahead and say I'm out of frame for like half the video. So for those with OCD, you might not want to watch this video, but for everyone else. So in this box right here, pretty sure you know what's in here. Straight from eBay, you already know. Alright, so right here we had the, what's more like a TRD style rep lip. It doesn't have the cutouts for the LEDs that are up here. It doesn't have the little placement for the TRD sticker. That's okay, because I'm going to be molding this to the car, and I'm not going to hack up an authentic TRD lip to mold that to a bumper, and that's just not happening. But go ahead and put this off to the side. Go ahead and open up the side skirt. Alright, so here's the side skirt. The two different style side skirts. You can tell from this piece right here, this one's a little different than what you might normally see. And these are the exact ones that I was wanting to get. So luckily they came in the kit. The plan is to cut a little bit up here and to notch this around, kind of like this, so it'll fit around the V2 style flares. So the V1s, if you know, the bottom piece is a little straight and then it curves in for the tire. But on the V2, it's just all curved. So this is gonna have to change. So that's all right, because I'll figure it out. And yeah, I don't know what to do. But moving on to the best piece. So this right here is a TRD style rear diffuser, but this right here is for the 2017 and up FRS rear bumpers. I don't know why, but the design changed, I guess, a little bit for that year. So the curvature, I think right here, might be a little off. So let's see if I can fit the front lip on. The side skirts are gonna have to be trimmed and heated. But I think I might start with this rear bumper. It'll somewhat feel like this. Let me get the camera. Check the last clip. I wouldn't say I'm really in the frame that much, but it's good enough. So this right here is kind of how this bumper extension fits. So we'll see. I started gluing the over fender bumper extension piece, so that's on there. This might be in the way. We'll clearance that out as need be, but for now, let's go ahead and try to throw this lip on right here and see how that fits. Oh, shoot. All right, so I hope the exposure is set right. Should be. Let me go ahead and line this up. It looks like it's gonna fit. It should just slide over. Honestly, like, okay. Hey, yo. The fitment on here is A1. Check this out. This fits really nicely on this front bumper. Here it's like, this is square on there. That's pretty nice. A lot better than I was expecting this to be. So over here we have the side skirt. This is the issue that I was talking about. I'm gonna have to shave some of this down because the bottom of the V2 kit sits right there. That's gonna be covering that. This is about the height where it's gonna be sitting at, so that's gonna be notched. Same with the front. The front's gonna be a little bit more complicated because I don't want to have this giant piece right here So I'm gonna have to cut this and then curve this around there. As you can see, it's kind of tough. And my fenders are cut right there. I'm not too sure why. Or actually, that's because the V2 side skirts has a little tab that goes underneath here that you can either zip tie or screw into the fender, so it sits a little bit nicer. So what I'm gonna have to do is get the rear end good first, hold this up into place, either cut this and then curve it, or curve it and then cut it, but that'll be a later issue. And let me get the car turned around. We can work on the rear end, see what that's like. Look at this. Like, if you had 3M tape right there, that would sit flush, and then you come around over here and you push this together. If it had 3M tape on it, this would sit. It's a little off right there. I don't think you can tell in the video, but this is not bad, honestly. This is what the inside looks like. So there's a tab right here, and that's where your bumper is going to sit on and mount inside like that. Then you go around to the other side, same with that. So the one thing you are going to have to do is you are going to have to cut that plastic trim. I already cut this for the diffuser that I had previously. It required me to cut that. Look, this fits really nicely. Bruh. So I 100% forgot that my side skirt was right next to the car. Check that out. Nice. So that's gonna be some work to fix, but yeah, that's alright. It's just part of the game. So that's going to be it for today's video. It was just really a mock-up of the TRD rep kit. I'll put the link down in the description because this one was actually pretty good, not gonna lie. But I will catch y'all in the next one. Later.